The Italian bike manufacturer Ducati debuted the Desmo450 MX, their first-ever motocross vehicle, around 2 years ago. Due to the bike's great success in prototype form over the past few years, Ducati decided to release the bike globally along with a number of accessories that let riders take their stock machine to the factory. The official Ducati Desmo450 MX Factory machine was introduced a few days ago on January 9, 2026, and already has everything it needs to compete. But the new model is lighter and more powerful than the old one, since it has top-tier racing components. The engine and frame were among the few parts that were retained from the original machine. It is housed in the same twin-spar aluminum frame and has the same 449 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine with desmodromic valve timing. Some features and parts, including the titanium acropovic exhaust system, which improves power delivery and the torque curve, set the Desmo450 MX Factory apart from its sibling. The suspension system, which has a 49mm completely adjustable Showa upside-down telescopic fork at the front with 310mm, 12.2 inches of travel, and a fully adjustable monoshock at the back with 301mm, 11.9 inches of travel, is the next item on the list. The bike's basic parts include an RKMXU Gold W/O-ring final chain drive, a billet factory triple clamp, a whole shot device, a front disc protection, a skid plate, and a Wi-Fi module. Pirelli Scorpion MX32 tires are installed on the bike's 21-inch front and 19-inch rear wire spoke wheels. A 2-piston Brembo floating caliper clamps a 260mm disc on the front wheel to provide stopping power, and a single-piston Brembo caliper clamps a 240mm disc on the rear wheel.